Be sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making a pound cake, an old-fashioned pound cake. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, I'm going to go over some ingredients that we're going to be using for our pound cake, our old-fashioned pound cake. Okay, coconut extract, 1/4 teaspoon of that. 1/4 teaspoon of lemon pure extract. 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. A half teaspoon of baking powder. A half teaspoon of salt. 3 sticks of unsalted butter. Make sure you set this out about 30 minutes before you start to use it because you want these nice and soft. This is 3 cups of sugar. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 5 eggs, set them out for room temperature. 3/4 cups of milk, also room temperature. Before you start, you want to preheat your oven to about 350, depends on how your oven is, to 275. Okay, we're going to be adding that salt and that flour, and then the baking powder, we're going to do the same. Okay, so we're going to set this to the side, and let's do our next batch with our butter and our sugar. Okay, I'm opening up my butters. Okay, our last stick of butter is going down. Okay, I am going to start mixing this on a low speed. I'm going to add a little sugar in at a time. Now I'm going to hold this bowl as I do it. Okay, I'm going to be cracking 1 egg apiece to make sure I mix that egg in there really great. Okay, my first egg. And I'm going to make sure I get this incorporated really good. My second egg. Okay, this is my last egg. Ooh, I think I got twins. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of my flour. Okay, I'm going to make sure I get all my sides. I'm going to add a little, couple more milk. And that pure vanilla. That's the coconut extract in there. Lemon extract that we're going to be adding in. All right, I pulled it out. And there you go. You're going to need a bundt pan to cook your pound cake. And this is a really cool pan because this is a silicone pan. That means I do not have to grease it. I do not have to flour it because it's a non-stick silicone. Can you believe that? Look, silicone pan. And you don't have to store this in a place where it takes up so much room. When you finish cooking, you wash it, you take it, you fold it up. You can store it anywhere, or you can store it just like it's always going to pop back. And it's the coolest thing you can ever get. Okay. I'm going to pour. And here it is in my silicone pan. Don't forget 275 to 350 depending how your oven cooks. Okay, this cake is completely cooled down. Okay, I've got the bottom of my cake holder, and I love this because you put the cake on and you can cut it, you can serve it, you don't have to go through any fancy things, and we're going to do that. Okay, so this is my cake that's in my pan that's already cooled. We're going to set this down and we're going to pick this cake up. Okay, and this is our old-fashioned pound cake. And look at it. Here is the flakes. I love this where it comes off the pound cake. I love it. Okay. Oh, look at that. We're going to give us a nice little wedge of this cake. Oh, that's a big wedge. Okay. Let's take our pound cake. Look at that. That is a delicious, moist. Look how moist that cake is. Okay, I made some old-fashioned caramel icing, and I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna drizzle some down on the cake. Some people do like it, some people don't. You just take a little bit and you just drizzle it back and forth over it till it gets all that caramel. You just drizzle a little, not a lot. Some people don't like it, some people do. You want extra, you just put it on your own piece. So that's just to make it a little fancy there. And here we go, our old-fashioned pound cake. Hey guys, I hope you like this recipe and I hope you come back for many, many more. Because guess what? I didn't make this alone. You and me, we did this together. And come back so we can do plenty more. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.